guys, welcome to a Blender tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a arena map for your first-person shooters in Unity. So we have this Blender open here and we have our new scene. And new scene comes with a camera and a lamp and a cube. We don't really need any of those things. So we're going to hit A to select everything, and then we're going to hit delete and click OK. So now we're going to go here to create, and we're going to create a plane. We're going to make our arena map using a plane. So now we're going to click S to size in every axis, and then click 30. And now sized in every axis by 30. So now we're going to hit view and then go to the top view. You can also go to the top view by clicking 7 on the number pad. So now we're going to go into edit mode, and we're going to make some loop cuts. So by doing that, we're going to click Control R, and we're going to hover over our plane until we can find this pink line right here. And now you can say how many loop cuts you want. I'm going to say 29, and double click on the other side, and 29, double click. So since we have the same amount of loop cuts on both sides, we should get perfect squares, which we do, so that's good. So now we're going to go into our face select and click B for our selection tool and select all the outer faces. And here we have our outer faces. Now we're going to click E to extrude and then click 6. So now we have walls on the outside, so our player can't just go out of the map. So now we're going to go to the top view again by clicking the 7 button, and now we need to make some hallways. So we're going to make 4 blocks. We're going to do that by getting 8 by 8 blocks. So just going to try and make it here. Okay, so that's all you need. You just need 4 blocks in the middle of your map. And now if we extrude this by clicking E and clicking 6, we have some hallways to run through. So what if we wanted to create some rooms to put some collectibles in or something? We're going to hit Control Z to undo, go back top view, and we're going to actually click C. And now we have the Paintbrush select tool. So the Paintbrush select tool just selects stuff when you click on it, and if you hold shift with the paintbrush tool, it automatically gets rid of it. And if you want to make the paintbrush smaller, use the mouse wheel. So we're going to make it pretty small here, and we're going to hold shift. And how we're going to make rooms is we're going to get rid of the walls inside these rooms. So we're going to go ahead and destroy these walls. And now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to click escape to get out of the tool, extrude it, 6. So there you go. You got a few rooms to walk through. Make some spawn points in the rooms, in the corners. And yeah, so now what you want to do is up here in the top right corner, we might rename this, instead of plane to I guess just arena map. And then we're gonna add a material to everything. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna click new. We're gonna assign it to everything. And now we're gonna go into the cycles renderer up here. Get the drop down and click cycles renderer. Now you'll see the settings tab. and you have viewport color. So we're going to change this to whatever color you like. I just like a pretty bland yellow. Yeah, it's very simple. Another thing you want to do, we're going to be putting this into Unity. So we're going to go into object mode, and we're going to click Control A, and we're going to apply the scale. So that means that when we're in Unity, this object will automatically have a scale of 111. So anyway, now here we have our FPS arena. We're going to save as FPS arena in our Unity project folder, our assets folder. We're going to save as a Blender file. And now we can hop into Unity. There we go. Okay. So now where I saved it was just here. I named it FPS Arena. We're gonna drag this into here. We're gonna put it in the 0, 0, 0 position. Zoom in. We also want a directional light, so you can see all of this. So we're gonna go Game Object. And there we go. And now for FPS Arena, we don't need an animator. We also need a mesh collider, and it's automatically going to have the mesh that it is. And now I've made a small first-person shooter game here. You have an update here, and so now you can just walk around. It's very, very simple, but I like it a lot. So that's how you make a simple map for your first-person shooters. Thank you guys for watching, and that's it.